Can you guess the animal species from their characteristics? Only lazy people can guess the last one. Easy round first one. This animal has a long neck and spots. Giraffe. Second one. This animal has a trunk and big ears. Elephant. Third one. This animal is black and white and loves bamboo. Panda. Medium round fourth one. This animal is the king of the jungle. Lion. If you haven't already, press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Fifth one. This animal hops and has a pouch. Kangaroo. You got it. Hard level sixth one. This animal is known for changing colors. Chameleon. Seventh one. This animal has black and white stripes. Zebra. Like and share it with friends who are animals lover. Expert level. Eighth one. This animal has a shell and moves slowly. Tortoise.